Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil 3 Nemesis gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on Power and then select Restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search for Device Manager. Here you have to expand Human Interface Devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on Update Driver and then click on Search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam under Library section, select your game, click on Properties, click on Controller and here select Enable Steam input and then check if it's working. If not, again come back, select Disable Steam input and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, select Use Default Settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Properties, click on Install Files and then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best way to resolve the issue you are coming across. But if this doesn't resolve the issue, move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for Settings, click on Windows Update, click on Check for Updates and wait for some time. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, some other tips are suggested. Clear the cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on Settings, click on Downloads, go below, click on Clear Cache beside Clear Download Cache. So this will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam. So confirm it and after that log into Steam again and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to, if you are using wired plug for your controller, then you are suggested to unplug it and again replug it and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to use big picture mode. So after going to Steam, under Library section, select your game and here you can see the big picture mode. So just click on it, enter it. After that, try to play the game. After that, exit big picture mode and then check whether gamepad or controller not working issue is resolved or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Resident Evil 3 Nemesis gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.